Hello, I'm Annie Sloan and welcome to my studio. I'm going to talk about lacquer. So you know I love waxes, they're fantastic, but I love lacquers too. So I've got two lacquers here. One is matte and this one is gloss. They're water-based and you would use them in different ways. So why use lacquers? One is that it's really, really strong. So you could use it on something like a kitchen table, kitchen cabinets, and it's wipeable and all the rest of it. You could use gloss or matte, it wouldn't matter. Another great feature of this lacquer is that it has UV protection. So that means you can use it outside and on furniture, what have you, and the colours won't fade. So how to apply the lacquer? You can use these brushes here, or you can use a roller, which I really, really love. First thing you would do is stir it. Stirring's really, really important because a lot of the goodies go down to the bottom. So you must do that first of all. Then I'm going to put some into here. So this is the gloss and I'm going to pour some into here. I'm just going to squash it a little bit so it's not too fat with varnish. I'm going to do that. And I'll probably do every which way. It will be best to do 2 layers. I'm doing it with my left hand here, because if you're not careful, you end up with some lines. So just roll gently over those. Now I'm just going to show you how you might take a brush, and so edges here, I won't open it up, but you can do edges like that. This is a nice soft brush which doesn't have lots of bristly stuff on it, so it will help to make it smooth. And that's it really. So I go every which way and then finish off, as I always do, using this, sort of feathering it. So you're doing that, not that. That's what I mean, the difference between that, which will probably give you brush marks, and that sort of feathering look. Big thing with varnishes and lacquers is that you don't want to get any drips. So you've got to always be looking around. Any white bits, so I could see some white bits there, that's no good, get rid of them and then finish off. So I've just been doing this bit and now I can touch this and it's almost dry. It's just a little bit, but it's all touch dry completely. So this isn't about waiting hours and hours and hours. I might wait a little bit longer and I'll do a second coat. And the second coat will just be exactly as I did the first coat. And yeah, just going over again. Another reason you'd use lacquers is it's a good style look. So something mid-century modern, something very modern, you want something very slick, then I would use the gloss one and that would be absolutely fantastic. So now it's going to be the matte lacquer. Why would I use matte? Well, you can do it just because you like matte. Lots of people don't like that real shine on anything. So certain colours, I think, just suit it. Whites seem to be really lovely because they're very absorbent. It's purely choice. I just want to show you the difference and how it looks. So I better do exactly the same as I did before, so you can compare like with like. So there you have it. Whether you go with a matte or gloss finish, lacquering just helps extend the life of your furniture and the chalk paint finish. So have a go and let us know what you create.